This video complements Professor Tony O'Driscoll's competitive strategy course at Duke University, where he provides a brief overview of the business model canvas that resides within the visionary quadrant of BCG's strategy palette. Let's begin. Welcome to your crash course on the business model canvas. This simple yet powerful tool helps you visualize and design how your company creates, delivers, and captures value. It breaks down your business into 9 essential building blocks, allowing you to see the entire picture clearly. Something that's crucial when navigating today's fast-paced tech industry. Let's dive in. Everything starts with customer segments, the groups of people or organizations you aim to serve. Think of it as your audience. Are you targeting tech-savvy individuals, large corporations, or maybe a niche market? Each segment has its own needs, preferences, and behaviors. Successful businesses know their customers inside out. For example, Netflix appeals to both individual binge watchers and companies looking for content licensing. Next, we have value propositions, the heart of your business model. It's all about why customers choose you over the competition. Your value proposition solves a problem or satisfies a need in a way that stands out. Take Apple, for instance. Its seamless ecosystem allows devices to work effortlessly together. That's their value, convenience and integration. What unique value does your product or service deliver? How do you deliver your value? That's where channels come in. These are the ways you reach your customers and deliver your product or service. Think online platforms, physical stores, mobile apps, or even partner networks. For instance, Tesla bypasses dealerships and sells directly to consumers online and in its own stores. Your channel strategy should be efficient and aligned with how your customers prefer to interact. Then, there's customer relationships. How you interact with your customers. Do they want a personalized experience, or do they prefer self-service? Airbnb builds trust through community and peer reviews, while companies like Amazon focus on self-service to make interactions quick and efficient. Tailor your relationships to fit your segments. Engaging your customers the right way can make all the difference. Of course, you need to know how you're making money. Enter revenue streams. Whether it's through direct sales, subscriptions, advertising, or even licensing, your model needs a way to capture the value you're providing. Spotify earns revenue from both ads and premium subscriptions. Be clear on how each customer segment contributes to your revenue. To make all this happen, you need key resources. These are the critical assets your business requires, whether they're physical, intellectual, human, or financial. Think of Amazon's massive distribution network, Google's algorithms, or even a company's patents and brand value. What are the essential resources that drive your business? How can you leverage them? Now let's look at key activities. These are the actions your company needs to take to be successful. Whether it's developing software, manufacturing products, or marketing your brand, these activities are the backbone of your operations. For example, Uber focuses on platform management, driver recruitment, and ensuring smooth customer experiences. What are the key actions that will help you deliver your value? No company operates in a vacuum, which is why key partnerships are vital. These could be strategic alliances, supplier relationships, or joint ventures. Google partners with hardware manufacturers to make Android devices, while Nike collaborates with various suppliers and retailers. Identify the partners that help you leverage your strengths or fill gaps in your business model. Finally, we have cost structure, how much it costs to run your business. From production costs and salaries to marketing and operations, understanding your cost drivers is critical. Some businesses, like software companies, have low production costs but high development costs, while others, like retailers, face significant inventory and logistics expenses. Optimize these costs to ensure profitability. And there you have it, the business model canvas. It's not just about filling in boxes. It's about seeing the bigger picture, how your business works as a whole. Each block affects the others, so it's crucial to find balance and alignment. For example, if your key partnerships shift, it might impact your cost structure or revenue streams. Understanding these interconnections allows you to make informed, strategic decisions, especially in competitive, technology-driven industries, like the ones we explore in EGRM GMT 542. As you go through this course, think of the business model canvas as your strategic blueprint. It's a tool designed to help you innovate, adapt, and thrive in the ever-changing tech landscape. Whether you're launching a startup, working in a corporate setting, or consulting, the canvas gives you the clarity you need to build something impactful. Remember, strategy isn't just about competition. It's about creating, delivering, and capturing value in a way that's sustainable and scalable. Use the canvas to refine your approach and, most importantly, to see where new opportunities lie. Thanks for watching, and remember, innovation isn't just about new products. It's about new ways of thinking and designing your business. Now that you understand the basics of the business model canvas, consider how it might be best applied to the live case assignments in the competitive strategy course. Good luck.